So I got the nose pretty much finished today, just rounded off and everything. Pretty happy with that, just waiting for the infill for that. I got a little surprise for that little piece up here. Yeah, steam vent all those into place. So the walnut's all going around the front edge. It's a double layer, and then I'll angle the top front edge. Yeah, that should blend in quite nicely. Chairs, yeah, did all the shapes. Can't quite see it at the moment, but it's all fixing up at the moment, so. So, yeah. And then I got the other side done as well. It's in, and then same as the front or the other side, I'm waiting for the infill for that. All good, coming together.